Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Tootsie! Happy 50th birthday! I am so blessed to have you as a friend. You are very kind and thoughtful. So even in your busy schedule, every time we're home, you always have time for us. And also showered us with all the goodies. So enjoy your day, Toots. Love you. Happy birthday!
Hi, Toots! Basahon ko lang yung akong message kay daw kalaba. So, just thinking of our memories together makes me so grateful that I have you in my life. Entering college was tough, but I felt at ease knowing that I have my fellow Taitungyan on my side. You have always been so understanding, supportive, and loving in your own special way. I pray today and always that you will remain strong for everyone around you, good health, happiness, and success in all your endeavors. No matter how far apart we are, I will always be here to cheer for you and love you. Happy birthday, Tootsie! God bless. Regards, everyone.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tootsie. Happy birthday to you.
Tootsie, thank you so much for always taking time out on your busy schedule to see us whenever we come to town.
And Toots, we hope that we could make more memories, more fun adventures with you, hopefully in the near future. We miss you, we love you, and we hope you had a great celebration. 50 is the new 40.
Yes. Actually, you don't even look 40, you look 30.
Okay. Happy birthday, Toots. See you again soon, hopefully.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
For each other during the ups and the downs. You are the calm winds of the group. Your gentle heart, soft-spoken attitude, and innocency is refreshing. In a world filled with fear, you made sure that all of us come out from it safe and sound. Even though you were the calmest out of everyone, you were also the most serious. Being ambitious and the dreamer got you where you are now, and everyone is very much proud of what you became and the accomplishments that you graciously achieved. Our college days was a blur. Wasn't too sure if there was a time that we seriously studied and not just say basta pasar okay na. During recess and exams. When we graduated and we decided to have a review in Manila, it wasn't only a review that we did, but we became travelers and saw every corner of Manila. All these memories, but my fondest one of us together, must be when we were working, more like shopping in the US for 2 consecutive years. I have experienced every good with you there, and for sure, I was at my happiest during those times. Even the memories that we should not be proud of has been carved in me to always be remembered and felt. Your 50th birthday makes me look back on all we've shared through the years and feel more lucky and grateful than ever to have you as my friend. Happy birthday, Liz.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nota. Very warm message. Wow. We hope.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, cool surprise. Thank you, Nancy, for putting off the surprise on the surprise to Tootsie. So thank you for making Tootsie happy. So mission accomplished. Good evening, everyone. I'm Michelle, and I'm the classmate of Caroline from Riverside College, Barkada kami. So sa aming batch, We call her Tootsie. We baptized her with this name because she is the youngest sa group next to Boy. And syempre, with her petite structure and cute bounce, Tootsie reads her best. Happy 50th birthday, Toots! Welcome to Club 50! Damo na ta! So to start, Tootsie and I became friends in college back 1992. So if you do the math, 33 years na kami friends. I was new in Bacolod, kaya from Iloilo ako. I remember Tootsie, naupod-upod na sila Permi ni Tata, si Grace Suerte, Makatar. Kaya they are both from Taytong. I didn't know gani how we became barkadahay. Basta upod lang kami na lang, napupod na lang kami. Tootsie was always the quiet one sa group. Paano pa siya makasalbot sa amin? Kaya puro kami bukalan. So, she chose to lead the audience. Her house in Villa Angela is one of our tambayan houses. Kaya ang kay Tunet ang number 1. Siya may walking distance lang. So kung lawig ang break or may group study, sometimes na-sleep over ako kay Tootsie. I love sleeping over there. Kaya pagkamihan, kasi ako natulog, hindi naman CR. Common CR. So siya lagi ko. So I'm always looking forward to have a sleepover in Tootsie by night. So Tootsie has always been warm and accommodating. And thank you, Tito and Tita, for bearing with us and shouting. So after graduation, nag-review kami sa Manila. We stayed in one boarding house, 5 kami. Tunet, me, Boy, Tidit, and Tootsie. And wala kami lang kapasal sa board. Every after review, I was excited. Oh, yung kanta sa Glorieta. So that's why, wala kami kapasal. Sorry, Tito, Tita. After the board exams, we went on with our own lives. Ako natagdan ako sa Dubai, nag-work sa hotel. But every time I'm home, Tootsie and the girls would come to Iloilo, or I will go to Bacolod to spend time with them. So our friendship remained strong until we got married na. I wasn't able to attend Tootsie and Dennis' wedding kaya ako sa Dubai, but she invited nanay. Tandaan na, nasa saka ako tuloy, mas frequent pa na bisita ni nanay sa Bacolod kay Tootsie. And so nanay really came sa wedding nila. Until now, and ang inyong giveaways, but it does my house shine. Ano pa na sa amon. That's how we value your presence in our lives as a family. And Nanay and Madam Didit, Aldrich, extends their birthday greetings to you. Then we became moms. Naka-work together. Kami, kutali dyan, sa mga suitsy clothes, napadalay, kasi ako sa iyo, naka-work ko malibot. Dito ba kami sa ako sa 773, tita. Hindi niya natungkol. Sinagawa ako na dito. So, nag-business partner, mga kami na dito, sa mga lang. And then I had Angelo, and ikaw, you had the twins. Ikuha ko na siya ninang, kaya I remember, you and Dennis visiting us home sa Iloilo when I had Angelo. Simple gesture, but it means a lot to us. So, thank you, Dennis and Tootsie. Thank you to us for the deep of friendship and sisterhood. Every time hari kami sa Bacolod, you really take time out sa inyong busy schedule to meet up and treat us pa. One of the memorable moments natin was our trip to Dubai. It was your trip to Dubai last 2018 with Dennis, Nancy, David, and you both celebrated your birthday there with Dickree. It was a fun and exciting adventure, non-stop travels and pictorials, and of course, indulging with food and shopping. Kagduta-tuliwat, Nans. So that Dickree extends her birthday and his birthday greetings to you as well, folks. So our connection is not just tight, nag-intertwine, bagilya, hindi na gitawag-tang. So we are family again. You supported me in my motherhood, to Christopher for being his guardian here sa Bacolod. Gidugang ito pa, responsibilidad mo, because you have offered a room sa inyong building for him to stay. I know special price na yeah. And si Kuya Kuya and I and Dickree are very grateful. You also supported me sa akong G-Force Dance Workshop here sa Bacolod, 2 batches na wala kang din ng paldos, di one of the cash sponsors. Thank you, Vitus, for your generosity. You have always been the thoughtful and generous ninang to Angelo. You never miss a birthday or Christmas to send him gifts. And syempre to Nanay, you always check on her and send her goodies as well. Thank you, Vitus, for your unconditional love and support. I admire your strength, being a mom of 4 with twins. Grabe, this Papa Dennis. And taking care of 3 households, plus your family business. Grabe. Who have thought that our once quiet baby sister, Tootsie, is now the mother of all, Queen Bee. So proud of you, Toots. So can we give her a round of applause, please? Congratulations, Toots, for a job well done. I pray that the Lord will continue to bless you with strength and prosperity, abundance of good health and wealth. Continue to be kind and humble, thoughtful and generous. We love you so much, too much, very much. Happy golden birthday, Caroline Kui Chu, aka Queen Bee, Mother Tootsie. Happy birthday, Tootsie.
Thank you so much, Ms. Luz, for that very...
Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you, bago natin. But honestly, why di ko kabalo? Why di ko yung kabalo? Although, kung kabalo nga ang wala lang niya sa ila. Wala lang niya. Sa nakabal, pamausang katabi sa helper na, maglaman ko lang. Kung ay, when kung dali birthday, wala kid. Kung hila birthday, ako nanan. Nakakabali ko na sa iya, katabi niya, nakakikis niya sa kabal sa ako. Ma'am, birthday mo may buwas, hindi ko alam magpuli. Kapag kunti, tayo, wala man lang, makakot na kami na sa buwa kayo, parang tauhay, wala sang himusol. And then, last night, alaman ko nga, usually, every night, or, kasi ko naman, naging kami na sa daughter ko, si Linya, nag-text siya, nag-messenger. Last night, what happened? Mahibos. Tingnan, bago pa din siya, ay, wala man si Linya, tulog na guro, ay, wala din sa answer. Kaya ginala ko sa aga, kabalo. And then, sa kagabi, kabalo pa, sino ay naaman niya na napanghagan. Sila yung napanghagan magwa. Usually, ang kabalo, ay na tayo, tumabakata. Usually, after dinner, palabas na Friday night or Saturday night, wala sa school pagkaaga. Malakat kami na. Eh, sa kagabi, sila yung napanghagan. Hindi na may kakapoy, doon na kapoy naman ito, hindi lang, dali lang ka. Kung sila yung napanghagan, nakatabilang, ay sinansin ang patuman. Sa Manila siya. So, sige, lahat kami. And then, kito na to yung magigugro ako ng hanggan pulis. Pulis ka. Tambal Manila. Ay, sa Tiprano. Tiprano, galing mo pulis na. Kaya on the while, daliya, si Tingnan ko ay makaabot. Insugat siya sa airport. Insugat siya sa driver. And then, pag sa uli ko, nakaabot naman din siya. Nagsugot na sila mga pulis kami. Pagkat nga, kami nakahagad niya nila tayo sa babo. At nakasiyaya yung nagdamang lang. Usually, kung ay na tao sa dalawang, ako nakalak mo sa mong pinchen, yung ginagyan. Pagsaka ako, kaya hala siya sa airport mo, wala din siya nagpabalo. Sa aga na lang, tingala si Ted, ano niya siya yung usually 6, di ko gaman ka, or 6 or so. Tapos, ano niya, kaginaya, kapag 3 o'clock, utaw na mo. Ano, walking na ka?
Wow!
Walking na kay parang early na makaabot na masimba, breakfast na rin kita lang, kaya wala pa man school. Para kaabot kami sa lunch, kaya may lunch kami with the shoes. Kasi po para kaabot na.
Alas 5, stress na ko ha? Kano?
Oo, kung galing pag-ubay ang kano niya. Okay na ta. Siya, nagtanaw siya sa kita na katulong pa man. Okay man lang sa tulong-tulong pa, di ba? Tumaglakad kung aga. And then, magkatuloy na kayo na sa wala lang siya. Sige ako sa ina ako, ito na. Hindi ko kayo, yung mga 5:30 to 6 na siguro, nagsulog na siya, galing siya, harap na siya, nakais, siya,
Wow!
Ang mga boys may lalaki.
Wow!
Pero kasi kung nagdaligan naman kung dito sa imo, kung makulit ka para makaplan ko, kung makaon ka, o kung iinta sa birthday ko. Kapag nasabat niya sa akin, she's busy. Pero yung pinakamunang sabat niya, yung usual na parang, hindi ko lang makulit, hindi ka sakot-sakot. Kasi kita makulit na siya, o labasan din, ang balaki ito sa iya. Tapos, parang may ukod siya mga batso. Kasi ano na, wala siyang kulitin. Palit na lang sa Friday, ginapagpulit. Sa Monday, ginapagpulit na siya. Pero hindi po, hectic sa schedule. Kung subong ito, wala rin sakot sa corn, sakot sa amunin. So, wala din siya punong time. Okay, sige. Hindi ko na lang kung one day. Siya puli ko nga, pero puli ko pag isa lang aglaw. Pag hindi na lang, palubod lang sa plate. Kaya ako na, sa kanila-alat, nakakakami din, kami sa ala, nag-breakfast kami anay ng pamilya. Kaya wala na kami kaapot nga, late na kami po. Late na mo kayo nag-istoryahan ay pa, tugay-tugay pa inis. Kahabol kami 10 o'clock mas dason sa Lasal every Sunday. Hindi ko ay na time.
Nagkama rin si Liza.
Oo. Usually, kita na kami na Liza, kaysa 10 a.m. mas pala siya sa Lasal. Hindi ka gina, pagpanaot ko yan sa card, nagkahon si Iya, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Iba? Grabe, hindi sila isaw. Kaya mo siya magiging anything or ano, basta mali ang magabot si Nancy ha, magpagantakan nila siguro, ang ba't mo pa gusto ko magiging, masulog na lang po. And then, sa Ugto, ako na to, nag-eat kami, and then sa hapon, makot mga boys, kaya ano ka sa hapon, makuwala, mapakuway-huway anay. And then, nakagal ko sa mga, ay sinabi ko, magtutulog na kayo, makapoy.
Uy! Afternoon delay.
Iyan, schedule sa iyan na parlor. Galing hatag siya schedule 7 p.m. Kaya ako nung kinakabali na, uy, hindi na kanasig na lang dahil siya procedure doon 20 minutes man lang na to 30 minutes. Siguro, ulat doon na namon before naman niya ako. And then, pagka balik na namon, ay ma'am, na-cancel. Ina-insist, tingin pa lang, ay cancel mo na una mo. Kaya, ablang alang-alang, hindi pa. So, hindi na talian yan yung mga, alang-alang siya kuno. So, why man sa ako na basic, may kulubra mo naman siya para sa school. Sabi sa nara na siya kapuli, why na siya gawa sa kwarto. Kaya may ginaubra na siya sa iyang laptop. May mga kulubra mo siya i-submit. Siya ay alang-alang po, basi may meeting naman siya po online mo, may permit ang muna mo. Ako to, so kung ano na malakad na kami, alam ko yung nga ang paliglayo, mga sa teachers, walang lagyan ni restaurant, nasa teachers din. At sabat naman tayo si Denison, ay nag-awag ang friend ko nga si Rosa, ma'am. Nagkabali sa sakot, mag-try na dati mo sa bago nga menu. May bago sila nga menu.
Ikaw na kami taran? Sinutuwa?
Nakakaditugid tayo nga pwede man lang sa dason. Dason, hindi ka daw gusto makaon na mabusugid ka. Eh, na-impatyo ang duwadaan na yun. So, kapag kumay na mga pulos, hindi makakakaon na mo. Nga, makatugid na to. Kaya kung dito, ang bali ako, dodo, isponyuran. Ang gusto makaon buffet. Kaya mapupusok naman ka, anong good. So, ang naiisis ko, kapag naog na kinasa car, duway pa sila kabalimutin sila makatulog.
Kasi ilit kami sa restaurant.
Oo.
Restaurant, ito mo mga functions na na. May mga kasal, may mga anniversary. Oo. Kaya sa pag-ayos sa game ko, ang dinas niya, nga natulad. Ang galing, nangingi ko siya. Natugay sa iya magaling. As ka na nakapagkita na nitiway parking, hindi nagulat kami ng pompo sa labi. Kahit nagulat kami ng parking si Dennis, di ba dapat? Si Dennis, kaya po si Dinya kaapot. Kabalila ang kabalunan at siya yung makita sa Kita ko na yun, maniniya sa buwan. Kita ko naman, kita tao. Kita na ako mga buffet. Tanaw ay ito yung bandito ko. Ito yung kanilingila nga, nga katuman. Kaya nakikita ko kami, hindi ko na ko hindi ko yan sa ito yung pan. Kaya matawag ito yung pan. Gabi na, mabusog ka ba lahat? Wala ko na namihan, gabi na mabusog. Tapos sila ako man, hindi man nakakawag sila pilito nila na they're not feeling well, di ba? So ako to, pag nakakabri, so per talaga kita, nakabutanan. Pag na isang handling ko. Sila nila na pa, si Grace, sila na si Grace, sila nila na sila na namatap sa ila ni Elma, sa store, kung yung bravo, kung ang dinanglanon, may ginagawang bravo. Tapos, last week yan, nakita kami ni Michelle,
birthday
ni Sekia Hassan. So, nakita kami lunch. Palis ako, doon, saan mo ang plan mo? May matapong kami ni Dunet. Walang deal. Ako liha pala. Seriously na, man po mo na ako, ikit mo ba lang na maminsar, man po, ilan niya sa iba, bro, kung ako taparan, hindi lang niya,
ang ba mo mag-60 ka lang?
Ako lang, bal mo, kung mag-60 lang po, promise. Ma-celebrate na. So, nabalas akong tools, makabalula sa iyo, isang simple lang, kay milestone na pala ang 50, nabalas ako. Kasi kung sige lang, mapapalo, nasa na po yan, kami nga mapapalo lang ko sa iyo, kung ano man kita. So, pero nag-text na sila sa among group chat nga, happy birthday, sa aga. Nagsabat man ko sa ila nga sige, hindi lang anay subong sa dasron lang, kayo kung mapaplano, di tamayo, ang mga kung saan umaara ang tanan. Kampag sa ila. So, ay kuya kabalo nga,
si Nancy, Nancy, contact me. Nancy. Yes.
Sa lugar, sa ini na place subong, among gini usually, among na gini ako ng mga yung mga close encounters, bigla nga mga kahambalan kung ano-anong bala. So, among pa na gini, damo man ko damo man pero among gini usually, ang mga close special, pero mga close to my heart na lang.
Aww. Yes, thanks, Nancy.
10 years. Looking back, I am very grateful to the Lord for bestowing me with the life I have now. I can say that I am very blessed. Usually, ang sakto ginang balinis, I am very pessimistic. Inatabas, tanan-tanan na lang negative dyan sa iyo. Pag negative kasi mo, sila kami niya naman si Mami. Pag kami yung gustuhan sila, bago tanan sila, bago na sa iya, naman si Mami, dalintawan naman pagka-negative ako. Which is, ako na gusto ko i-correct. Kaya sakto ginaya nga ang positive, nasulog din ang positive vibes, ang positive ka mo, di ba? Nasulog din ang good vibes. So, ako na ang gusto ko i-correct. But, tapos, ang isa pa din, I want to thank sa family ko, kay, sa ako din yung itin family, may mga hardships lately, and they were there, na, I would like to point out, sinitandata, sa akon, in some related as sa mga tapos lagi ko may kapasakit sa pamilya, but nag-encouragement and support, nakalantala sa akon. So I'm very thankful na doon naka-surpass naman yung isa naman na step na my mom was natakdan sa pacemaker and though successful man ang pagkakot sa pacemaker, so balantayan na. So ako na lately ang na trials na nagpaon na overcome. I pray na surpass to whatever hardships and whatever trials I will be facing. I know going through life na ang pag-itumaan yan, not only in this. And thank you also to my friends, my colleagues turned into family, my college friends, to sisters ko na ni sila yan, sisters and brothers. Sister na Carla. And thank you also to the moms pala. Isang when Dina was still student council president for 2 years. Si Tito Junjun, Tita Marta, Tita Pang, hindi tinanglan namon dayon. Kung niya pinag-support ng Kidar sa among na batch. Anong pag-in? Mulay pa. Preparing after
Makanta ka daw, Toots. Makanta ka. Yes, please.
Alam, uta ka. Kaya main na siya. Main.
And also, I would like to thank also the Chu family. They are very supportive also to my kids as well as sa ako. Thank you so much for accepting me sa family. Sa sumo, I am very grateful. I am hindi ko yapaliw sa iba na may problema sa akong in-laws. And I thank the Lord for giving me that gift. That's why I pray that I will be more healthy, so that whatever I have, I can share. I can serve not only to my family but to everybody. I have a community group also with the St. Mary's Association, and it has helped me a lot as a person. Wala na sila subong kay pilain ko sila kay I'll be giving a retreat for them as my birthday gift. So sa March ay among schedule. So sa una dahil I'm also shy, hindi ko na makatalk in front, di ba siya? Di ba, Gil? But joining St. Mary's, ako ni Brenda, Vice President, although mahuhong lang sa President na kung sino sa ila, but ako minapahambal nila, so wala din, ako minapahambal nila every meeting, every kung din kami, and so ako na overcome ko ako na shyness to speak in front. And I would, sana wala din sila, I would also like to thank them for being an instrument to serve God and to serve the people,
the community
who needs my help. Lastly, to my family, si Dana is very loving. My
pride.
My pride and my joy. Kung very low ako, ginakaptan nila siya. Kaya siya lagi na nagaputong sa ako. Ay, Mami, ano na naman na? Ano naman na?
So she's your favorite person, not Dennis.
Who has been with us for 6 months. They're less than 5 years old. Sila. Thank you for keeping up with us, for keeping with me. I I hope I can also share with you kung mga bata ginahambal ko sa edad, not to always forget their yayas. Lastly, to my sa palit to the 3 boys, I hope you learn to be more responsible. Kulang pagit sila, hindi pagit papabayaan. I hope you can be responsible enough someday. I pray to God that the 4 of you will go to a good spouse, spouse who is
like you.
Who's may kahandog pala sa Ginoo.
Pwede sa lagaw.
Be serious with your studies. Learn the business. Whatever, so that in whatever you do, ma-successful ka mo. Ako pray for me. And so lastly, to my husband.
Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Na-cancel mo na to din.
He's been with me ever since kung ano-ano da do gigunya do di ba nawag si very dependent.
Yes.
Ko bala sa iya totoo yun na nananong ko na pambala sa stay na
Para sa minsan.
So thank you very much and I love you all.
I love you too.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.